loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay guys, today I'm participating in an open collaboration hosted by Glamour Allen and co-hosted by Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing. Now these are two beautiful creators, and I invite you to go over and check out their channels and show them some love and support, and watch the playlist to see more fabulous Hollywood Glam tablescapes. Now Glamour Ellen and Tammy wanted us to decorate our tables Hollywood style. Now you could create an old Hollywood Glam tablescape, or a new or modern Hollywood Glam tablescape, or even vintage. Now you could also create a tablescape honoring your favorite Hollywood star. I actually combined two styles, which is old Hollywood Glam and honoring my favorite Hollywood star. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, as you can see, my favorite Hollywood star is Marilyn Monroe, who was an American actress, model, and singer, an American icon. Some called her a sex symbol image. I liked her for her style and charisma. Now, some of Marilyn's favorite colors and things were champagne, Chanel No. 5 perfume, red roses, and Italian food. Her favorite colors were black, white, red, and beige, which I'm not using the beige on my table today. The old Hollywood Glam colors were usually black and white, which I mixed both colors, along with Marilyn's favorite colors to capture that era of the 50s and the early 60s. Now I'm going to take you around the table and show you everything that I've done. Okay, at my place setting right here, which I have 4 place settings, and I just used my white charger and some red plates from the Dollar Tree that are melamine, and I just took a salad plate and turned it over to elevate my other salad plate. And on top of that, I have the iconic red lips. Marilyn was known for her red lipstick. And a funny story to this, guys, is that I was in the Dollar Tree and I was in line in the checkout, and I happened to see these, and I was like, oh my goodness, this would go perfect with the Marilyn Monroe theme. And these are lip glosses, and you can open them up, and it has cherry lip gloss inside of it. And I have each one of these at a place setting. So I thought that was very, very cute, okay? And I just have a single red rose right here for Marilyn, because this is where she would sit. I have my black satin napkin right here, and I have my gem napkin ring. And all of this is on top of my satin black curtain that I already had. And I have my ribbon tied right around this chair, because this is where Marilyn would sit. Okay, I just have my silver Dollar Tree silverware. I have a Z Gallery glass right here, and it is sitting on some coasters of Marilyn Monroe. And this one says Sitting Pretty. It's a set of 4, and I ordered these, and each of them has a different saying on them, and I thought these were so cute, super duper cute, to have some memorabilia from Marilyn. And I have my champagne glass here. She was a lover of champagne. And this place setting is the same. And down the center of the table, I'm just using my sequence table runner. And this place setting is the same. And in the center of the table, I have my mirrored box that I took out my living room, and I made it out of a flower box with the red roses in them because that was Marilyn's favorite. And in front of that, I have her favorite Chanel No. 5 perfume. It's a clear acrylic glass from, I believe it was Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. And over here, I have the champagne bottle and bucket. It is a Chanel, and this is a DIY. I'm pretty sure you've seen this many times before. And she has to have her champagne. That's how that looks. And also, I have my blinged out tongs. And behind that mirrored box, I have some black and white photos of Marilyn Monroe. I just copied these off of Google. And I didn't put the glass in because I thought it looked way better without it. It gave the black and white feel of the 50s era, so I decided to leave the glass out of them. And those picture frames are from the Dollar Tree. So, the black rose right there I have. So nothing on this table I really bought was just the coasters offline and the red plates from the Dollar Tree. Everything else I already had. So guys, thank the host Glamour Ellen and co-host Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It for this opportunity to join in on this fabulous collaboration. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.